6 months ago, we hosted our first event at a London penthouse, 10 agency owners, and honestly, the energy was electric. But for me, coming into this second event, I wanted to raise the bar even higher. I'm Jordan Platten, and welcome to Accession Mastermind. I am amped. Welcome to Accession Mastermind. Now, I can safely say nothing like this has ever been done in the agency space before. This is my life's work, and what we have here is a group of elite people from all areas of their division. People who have flown in from all over the world. We've got New Zealand, South Africa, agency owners who are masters of their craft coming together for 7 days to selflessly share everything that they know today. The energy, the frequency, the vibe is something else. We've got everybody who's just turned up here. We've got a few people yet to arrive. I can't wait to document this whole journey for you guys. Let's do this.
Oh my goodness, this is crazy.
These gardens are gardens, every look is a garden.
So for me, it's about being around, you know, some absolute killers in this space. There are people here that are at the top of their game, and to be rubbing shoulders with those people, and also like the compliment it gives your own business to realise where you are in your journey and you are in the process.
So for me, really, like we're in a stage where we're growing pretty well, and I can see very clearly what we need to do. But it was more of a mental thing for me around like where I want to go, where I want to take this, which is a very personal thing. It's not really something that someone else can give you. But coming here and meeting a load of like-minded people, like I'm here with 18 other businesses who are all like serious entrepreneurs. And everyone's got something to share. So all these different pieces of knowledge that come together from all these other people, it's so valuable.
Accession has been incredible. It's been fantastic to be around so many agency owners from all over the world that I'd have no opportunity to meet otherwise. The amount of inspiration I've got from thought leaders in their area has been really impactful, and I think it's something that I can take home and implement in my business straight away to help us kind of elevate to the next level in 2023.
How can we help the e-commerce community?
All of the data on all of the platforms are intertwinable.
It can be irrelevant to your service, but it just is enough of a hook to like just get them in. It can be like some random AI tool that you found online, which is really fucking cool.
But find the problem. What's your ideal exit? And they'll be open. They'll be like,
An asymmetrical uplift in MER because our ads are more effective, our contribution margin goes up.
That is what you then want to try and design your process around. Because the way you speak to a brand like that.
Oh man, it's been truly mind-blowing, honestly. There's been, I don't know, countless speakers, 10, 12 different speakers from different agencies just blowing me away every single time. Everyone does it slightly different. Everyone has like a different personality in how they do it. I think there's just so much that people can pick up here, and it's really like you can feel it. We're in a tropical environment, so it's like people want to party just as much as they want to learn from each other. And I think that's like the craziest part.
Guys, I just want to say a few words, okay? Yep. First of all, like, from the bottom of my heart, thank you to every single person that's been here, like, and come to this trip, because none of us expected day one the energy that we were going to be met in this fucking villa, and that's one thing that absolutely all of us can, like, agree on. Like, the frequency that we have all experienced the day that we walked into this has been just, like, off the charts, and something I personally have never experienced in my life before, and I'm very grateful for all of you guys for that, selfishly, right? The conversations I've had with you guys, like, I've heard your downs, I've heard your ups, I've had your highs, I've had your lows, I've had like the raw, unedited, real you from all of you, and I am grateful for that, and I'm sure we are all grateful for that in each other, right? And I just want to say, like, we're halfway through this trip, and no matter what point you're in right now, no matter what point that you want to be in, wherever you want to be, what you have right here is the vehicle to get you to that fucking point, because you don't realize how close you are until you have a conversation with somebody that's in that place that you want to fucking be. And that's exactly what we have right now, and we should be so grateful for that. And I just want to say, let's have a fucking awesome trip, and let's enjoy this, and let's be... Thank you. Thank you.
I was gonna automatically standing ovation.
So it's day 4 right now, it's 7 AM currently, everybody's starting to get up, sunrise behind me, and this morning we're having a sound bath. I wanted to introduce some more holistic approaches as well in this mastermind, maybe for people to experience some things they may not have experienced before, get out of their comfort zone on another level that's not just business. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this.
The energy after each day of Mastermind was fucking unreal. Like, all me and Tristan did, we went back to our room and just talked about everything we'd learned. We pretty much wanted to get straight on the flight back to New Zealand and start implementing shit. And then the next day we'd do it all over again. I don't even know how my brain processed that much, but the amount of things we fucking learned, you couldn't put a price on.
All of their data from an individual person should be able to then filter. You've got a leaderboard as well for different clothes.
You almost need to get to a stage where it's weird if they left.
Right, this all maps out, then we'll have Loom videos that like to antagonise people to comment.
Been amazing, you know, just being able to network with tons of other agency owners and learning things that were unexpected.
I think the whole journey has been, you know, so much fun. Like the setting, the scene, you know, an amazing private chef here, just a beautiful surroundings. And
before coming here, I didn't really know what to expect, and I was actually a little bit apprehensive, right? Because I was kind of coming into a group, a lot of people in the group already knew each other, and I was kind of like, oh, how's that going to be? How's that going to go? But like, it's been unbelievable. Absolutely loved it.
There's no other place that you can find a group of like-minded individuals like these that are just willing to give everything that they've got to help one another.
This mastermind has honestly been one of the best weeks of my life. I've met so many incredible people from all around the world. I've learned so much.
Made so many new friends. The place is absolutely sick. Yeah, I've loved it.
What I expect, I literally expected it to be exactly how it was. It was fucking sick. The amount of cool shit that we did, the seminars, the people, dinners, the private chef, like, it was absolutely insane. Like, I would do it again in a heartbeat.
The content and the people is like the best part. We're in the same space and we're dealing with the same problems. It's just so scalable and so valuable for everyone.
I think the vulnerability that the other agency owners have shown is really, really refreshing, because I think in your own hometown, often another agency owner is seen as a competitor, whereas here, everybody's here to kind of elevate each other and show each other behind the scenes.
Coming into this, honestly, I didn't know what to expect. We're taking a large group of high-performing business owners, expecting them to leave their egos at the door and share selflessly with individuals they've never met before. But coming to the end of this trip and reflecting, I am stunned by the amount of unity within this group. We've had an incredible time, but the raw desire to get home and implement on the stuff that we have learned is just paramount. This group symbolizes unity, but also exclusivity. It's a group of people that challenge the status quo and will never take no for an answer. That's what a session mastermind is all about. I can't fucking wait for the next one.